Hey there, it's Boots Owen here. This is my Bosch WFF 1800 washing machine. I typically use this for washing nappies, and I'm interested to find out if there's any scum inside. I've seen this trick on the internet recently that said that if I put a dishwasher tablet into this on a relatively hot wash, I'm going to put it up to a 90-degree wash, it should take all of the crud out of the inside. I don't know that there will be much, but there could be. So what I have is some rags inside, and I'll put the dishwasher tab inside. Coming up here behind everything, I've got the drain going into this black pipe instead of the normal outlet, and it'll just drain into this bowl in the sink. And what that'll do is let me see if there is stuff coming out, because if I can't see it, then how will I know? And the only reason I've got the rags inside is to agitate it. This is nothing special. In it goes. Let's turn it on. High water level. The noise in the background is the tumble dryer, but that will soon be eclipsed by the noise of the washing machine. 90-degree. Let's see if it does anything for it. I'm going to come and go, keep an eye on it. It's clicking through the pre-wash cycle up here at the moment. Now it's on the main wash, so it'll draw in some water. There's water coming in. And hopefully, this will be pretty uneventful, but we'll get a bit of stuff coming out of it. Okay, stay tuned. There is, of course, the possibility that some of the crud coming out will be from the wash that's in here. So I've put in 4 old rags. One of them was pretty dirty, but not much dirt. You can hear the tablet beating around in there, so until it dissolves, it might make that clunking noise. It might be difficult to see in there. It doesn't look too dirty. You can see the water running down the window there. It's not up to temperature yet anyways. If it's aiming for 90, it could take a while yet because it's got the higher water level. No bubbles, but there is some kind of apparent foaming. I'll wipe that clean a little bit. We'll see, we'll keep an eye on it. So this is really heating up now to the point where I can smell it in the cellar when I come down. I went up for a moment and came back down, and it's quite, you can smell the heat. I can leave my hand on the glass there, so it's probably not even at 90 yet. In my experience, when it's 90, I can't touch the glass. We'll see. It's just occurred to me that I've put some gloves in there that probably won't take a 90-degree wash, but we'll find out about that too. Oh, it's getting quite hot now. Every so often, whenever it stops turning, you can hear the element click in. There it is. Trying to boil up that water. But you can't hear it again whenever the kettle comes, or the kettle. You can't hear it whenever it starts turning. Actually, it's probably on the whole time, but it only starts to boil whenever it stops, or it starts to... it gets to the point where you can hear it. The water's looking a lot dirtier now. I've got the bowl over in the sink, waiting to see what's going to come. We'll see. It's dirty and it's steamy, but it's not that bad. There are some bits in it actually, are there? There are some kind of snotty bits. They could have been off the rags. It's definitely a long way from clean. I guess you could test it out with clean clothes, but I don't want to waste it. So the pump will stay on, so it'll keep trickling in here. It just looks dirty to me. Let's see what's in the bottom of this bowl. I'm trying to just decant it gently. It's very steamy. There's a few little snots, like there's not much in there at all. A bit of sand, which is probably off the rags. I don't know if this is nonsense or not then, really. We'll see what the rinse comes out like. So this is the first rinse. The last one was the main wash. Water's hot, but it's not that hot. Probably 40 degrees. It's grey, but it's not full of snots or full of limescale. Of course, we're not in a limescale area, so maybe that's part of it, that there's nothing there that would get, you know, if there's no limescale, the dirt can't get stuck in limescale, and there's no limescale to fall off, so it's not going to fall off. Yeah, I'm not surprised by anything in that. It looks dirty, but consistent with the rags that I've had in it. We'll see. This is the second rinse. It's coming out pretty clear. It's looking pretty clear already as far as I'm concerned. Yeah, it's almost clear water. There's no bits in that at all. There's no like major crud coming out there. Not sure about this dishwasher trick. We'll keep an eye on it. This is the third rinse coming out, and it looks, well, it looks pretty much clear to me. It's coming out cold. The dial has moved on. It says it's the final rinse, so it's done 3. The machine should go on to spin after this, and it should just keep trickling out. Like, you can see through that, like that's quite clear, that water. I guess it's good that the water's coming out clear, because it means the machine's clean, I guess. It's done another one. I thought that was the final one, so I think this is either it's maybe the 5th rinse now? 4th or 5th. It's coming out really clear now. I don't know. The machine's spinning up. So it's just distributing the load now at the end to freshen it up, and it's nearly there. It's got 2 or 3 more goes. I can't see that that was worth doing as an enterprise. A dishwasher tablet in a hot wash didn't seem to make any difference. Whether or not I got the clothes cleaner, I don't know. It's probably very aggressive on clothing. You know, it's designed for cleaning ceramics. Even plastics sometimes take a bit of a beating from a dishwasher tablet. Nearly there? Let me know what you think in the comments if you've tried it. If you live in a hard water area and you've tried it, I'd be interested to know. There it is, clicked through. The door light will flash for 2 minutes. Let's turn this off. Wait for that, and then I'll check the load. Yeah, let me know what you think in the comments. Seems like a waste of time to me, but I wanted to give it a try. Thanks for watching. See you later.